Okay, guys. I wanted to show you something. This is a system that I've developed. It's a trading journal. Uh, okay, I've developed. This is a trading journal specifically. So let's turn all on the dashboard. Okay, so it looks like this, right? Let's toggle this off. This is how it looks like. So how does this work? First of all, this is a trading journal. And usually what it does is that it helps you to be in check and also be able to trade using well-defined principles of a good trader, not just trading. Number one, it helps you to understand how much you are risking. Number two, it captures everything, the activities that are going on in your account. You can see here, it shows you the live position, all right, the amount, okay, that is either profit or it loss. And then also it shows you the margin, okay, and also the direction, buy, symbol type, buy, which is sell, the lot size, the price, and also the profit or loss per each position. And then from there, it has this data here where you're able to see the equity, the used margin, free margin, margin level, and total return. And then from there, these are the metrics, okay? And also here we have the session time, and then risk status. It is showing you this is a low risk. From there, account health, it looks good. Max drawdown, which is 7.4%. And it is calculating all together with the previous all the total that have been I have had as a drawdown from the time that I started using this account. That is since 2019. Yeah, and then the equity peak, it is also able to show. And then here we have the metrics. Win rate, it hasn't yet shown. Expectancy, it is that, okay? That is the expectancy. And then net profit, and then average win. Okay, so I just developed it. So here for this one, it is also still underway. So these are the details that you are able to see. And then here you can see there are these buttons. There is this analytics, okay, there is this settings, there is this refresh and also export. If I come here down where it says export, all right, when I click there, then we do this. Let's do this first. True. Okay, so if I do that, what you're going to see is that you can see all the details there, right? So right now we are using the symbol which is GBP USD. And then here you can see it shows my journal GBP USD symbol, which is gold, but we are dealing with USD. So if I want to export all the data right now, okay, I want to export all the data right now, I can just click here, export. You can see even here it says Erudite's global manual export. So it has exported everything. You know, it has captured the details. And now if you want, you can just come here again, EA, show hide dashboard. You click force, ta-da, just like that. Then you can even come here, able to see the profit. This is a signal that I just gave in my WhatsApp group. This here, I just gave this signal, right? This signal there. I just gave direction, GBP USD, stop loss at 13348. Then if you look here, this is the same, no? Stop loss 13348. I just gave that signal and I'm expecting it to continue going. Now, getting back to this, right? We can go, if you want to see your journal again, I want, let me try to capture again. If I want, I can also do this, export again, just like that. And then if I go here, right? If you're interested, you can follow the WhatsApp link. I'm going to add my WhatsApp number. So you come here on MQL5 and then files, Erudites Global. That is the file that it creates when you attach it and then start capturing your trades. So if I click here, these are the trades. Okay, the time, this is 12:40. So 12:40, you can see this is everything that this has captured. So dashboard, when you click there, it is able to show you everything. The balance, total trades, okay, that it has captured, average loss, and then risk parameter, the drawdown 7.3, daily. Okay, so this, I forgot to mention that I was testing it also on a demo. So that is a demo account. Daily trades 222, that is also the demo account. Active positions, 3 of them. Floating profit or loss, that is 32, and risk exposure, that is 34. So it has captured all those details. From there, if I come here again, daily trades, okay? If I come here again, journal log, trader. Okay, so here it is showing all the logs, okay? These were the demos, and I closed this, which was on God. Okay, so it also shows you the logs, and now the position. Okay, let's try to look at this live position. You're able to see all these things. So which means, it is important for you as a trader to always have to have a journal. So instead of you just to write down everything in your notebook, you can just use this EA, which is your journal specifically, all right, to help you do the rest. So shows you the ticket, the symbol, also the type, the lot size, open price, current price, stop loss, and profit, take profit, plus profit and loss. So it has also captured the profit. If it is in loss, it is always having that negative sign. Okay, and then pips and all those things. So here you can see it has even indicated that is Erudite Global Live Position Report. Trader, that's the name. It has also captured the broker, which is Daylive.com Limited, and the account, report time, and everything. So that is how this this thing works. You can come here, it says complete trade history. Okay, history trader. Also, it is also going to show you all that. Okay, so now it is very much simple. So this is the history. Okay, usually I always trade gold. I love trading gold. So I was testing it also. It is also able to show you how was the entry, aggressive, review. Okay, the review. If you click here, it says review stop loss placement and everything. Okay, aggressive, and then our scalping, stop loss, and everything. So it gives you all the details that you need to know, and also how you are trading and performing. How is your performance as a trader? So that is how this works. So if you want, I can delete everything like that. And then if I come here, I say export manually like that. Again, if I go there, it has captured everything. All right. It has captured everything. Again, the date and all the stuffs, right? So at the same time, you don't need to do that manually every time, okay? So what this does is that it also automatically captures your trades and then give you the full report at 23:59 midnight, all right? It will automatically generate the full report and then gives you everything. So that is how this product works. So how do you install it? right? So to install this, you just have to come here where it says File, Open Data Folder. And then from there, you come here where it says MQL5. Okay. Since I created it as an expert, you click Expert and then you put there, okay, my journal EA. You copy and paste it inside this. All right. And then as for the files, all right, are found here. So let's say you come here where it says MQL5 folder and then files. There, Erudite Global. Okay, so that is where it stores all the files, your journal entries, and all those stuffs. So it is very much important that you remember how this works and also how this functions. So thank you so much, guys. For now, I'm going to end here. Bye-bye.